2. Explain about the components of MS Word window. 10 marks. Microsoft Word, often simply referred to as Word, is a widely used word processing program developed by Microsoft. It is part of the Microsoft Office suite of productivity tools and has become one of the standard tools for creating and editing text-based documents. First point, features of Microsoft Word. Second point, word processing capabilities. Point 1, text editing allows users to create, edit, format, and manipulate text-based documents. Point 2, spell check and grammar includes built-in tools for checking spelling and grammar errors in real time. Third point, formatting tools. Point 1, fonts and styles provides a wide range of fonts and styles for text formatting. Point 2, paragraph formatting allows customization of paragraph alignment, indentation, line spacing, and more. Point 3, page layout offers options for adjusting margins, page orientation, portrait or landscape, and page size. Fourth point, document views. Point 1, print layout shows how the document will appear when printed, including headers, footers, and margins. Point 2, web layout optimizes the view for online reading. Point 3, outline allows for structured organization of documents using headings and subheadings. Document creation and management. Point 4, templates provides pre-designed templates for resumes, letters, reports, and more. Point 5, document sections allows dividing documents into sections with different formatting. Point 6, table of contents automatically generates a table of contents based on document headings. Fifth point, collaboration and sharing. Point 1, track changes enables multiple users to make edits and track changes with the ability to accept or reject modifications. Point 2, comments allows users to leave comments and annotations on specific parts of the document. Point 3, sharing facilitates sharing and collaboration through cloud services like OneDrive or SharePoint. Sixth point, graphics and multimedia. Point 1, insert pictures and shapes allows insertion of images, charts, diagrams, and shapes into documents. Point 2, smart art provides tools for creating graphical representations such as organizational charts and process diagrams. Seventh point, automation and integration. Point 1, mail merge integrates with data sources, example Excel, to personalize documents such as letters or mailing labels. Point 2, macros automates repetitive tasks by recording or writing scripts, Visual Basic for applications. Eighth point, security and protection. Point 1, encryption allows password protection and encryption of sensitive documents. Point 2, digital signatures supports adding digital signatures to verify document authenticity. Ninth point, accessibility features. Point 1, accessibility checker helps identify and fix accessibility issues to ensure documents are usable by people with disabilities. Point 2, read aloud provides a text-to-speech feature for reading documents aloud. 10th point, version history keeps a record of changes made to documents over time, allowing users to revert to previous versions if needed. 11th point, Microsoft Word continues to evolve with each new version, integrating new features and improvements aimed at enhancing usability, collaboration, and document management capabilities for both personal and professional use.